Question 71. Describe your experience with instructional design principles and how they influence your production strategy. My experience with instructional design principles, such as ADDIE, analysis, design, development, implementation, evaluation, significantly influences my production strategy. I incorporate these principles to ensure that content is learner-focused and effectively meets educational objectives. In the analysis phase, I assess learner needs and outcomes, which informs the design of engaging materials. During development, I collaborate closely with instructional designers to create interactive and relevant content. Implementation involves rigorous testing to ensure usability and accessibility. Finally, I evaluate the effectiveness of the materials using data analytics and learner feedback, continuously refining my approach to enhance learning experiences. Question 72. How do you incorporate emerging technologies into academic content production? Incorporating emerging technologies into academic content production starts with staying current on trends such as AR/VR, AI-driven analytics, and gamification. I assess the relevance and potential impact of these technologies on enhancing learning experiences. For instance, I explore AR for immersive simulations in STEM courses or AI tools for personalized learning pathways. Collaborating with tech teams, I pilot these technologies in smaller projects before full implementation. Feedback from these pilots informs best practices, ensuring that the technology aligns with educational goals. This approach not only modernizes our offerings, but also keeps learners engaged with innovative learning experiences. Question 73. What tools do you prefer for project management in academic production, and why? I prefer using tools like Trello and Monday.com for project management in academic production due to their intuitive interfaces and flexibility. Trello's Kanban-style boards facilitate visual tracking of project stages, making it easy for team members to see progress at a glance. Monday.com offers customizable workflows that can be tailored to specific project needs, allowing for better resource allocation and timeline management. Both tools enhance collaboration through integration with communication platforms, ensuring all stakeholders remain informed. Their reporting features enable data-driven decisions, ultimately improving project outcomes while fostering accountability within the team. Question 74. How do you approach the onboarding process for new team members in an academic production environment? My onboarding approach for new team members focuses on immersion and integration. I begin with the structured orientation that covers our mission, values, and production processes. Each new hire is paired with a mentor to guide them through their initial projects, fostering a supportive learning environment. I provide access to key resources, including documentation and training materials, to help them acclimate quickly. Regular check-ins during the onboarding period allow me to address questions and gather feedback on the process. By emphasizing team culture and collaboration from the start, I ensure that new members feel welcomed and prepared to contribute effectively. Question 75. Discuss how you handle changes in project scope and their impact on timelines and resources. Handling changes in project scope requires a proactive approach. I first assess the requested changes' impact on timelines and resources, involving relevant stakeholders in the discussion. Clear communication is essential. I ensure that all team members understand the implications of scope changes. If necessary, I negotiate adjustments to deadlines or resource allocation to accommodate the new requirements, always keeping project objectives in focus. I document these changes formally to maintain accountability and transparency. Additionally, I engage the team in brainstorming solutions to mitigate any potential delays, fostering a collaborative environment that encourages adaptability and innovation. Question 76. What strategies do you employ for maintaining stakeholder engagement throughout the production process? Maintaining stakeholder engagement throughout the production process involves regular communication and transparency. I schedule periodic updates, showcasing project milestones and gathering feedback. Utilizing collaborative tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams fosters ongoing dialogue, allowing stakeholders to voice concerns or suggestions in real time. I also create visual dashboards to provide stakeholders with easy access to project status and performance metrics. Engaging stakeholders in decision-making, particularly in key phases of the project, builds ownership and commitment to the outcomes. By prioritizing their input and keeping them informed, I cultivate strong relationships that enhance collaboration and support for our academic initiatives. Question 77. How do you ensure that content developed is accessible to all learners, including those with disabilities? Ensuring content accessibility begins with adherence to established guidelines, such as WCAG, Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. I incorporate universal design principles during the content creation process, ensuring that materials are usable for all learners. This includes providing alternative text for images, using clear and consistent navigation, and ensuring that multimedia elements have captions or transcripts. I also conduct regular accessibility audits, utilizing tools like Axe or Wave to identify potential barriers. Collaborating with accessibility experts during the design phase guarantees that all content meets legal standards. By prioritizing accessibility, I create an inclusive learning environment that benefits every learner. Question 78. Describe how you leverage data analytics to improve academic content production. I leverage data analytics by collecting and analyzing user engagement metrics, course completion rates, and feedback scores. Tools like Google Analytics and LMS reporting features provide insights into how learners interact with content. By identifying patterns, such as sections with high dropout rates, I can pinpoint areas needing improvement. I also track production efficiency metrics, including timeline adherence and resource utilization, to identify bottlenecks in the workflow. This data-driven approach informs decision-making during the iterative process, allowing for adjustments in content design and delivery methods. Ultimately, data analytics enhances both the quality of our offerings and the overall learner experience. Question 79. How do you foster innovation within your academic production team? Fostering innovation within my academic production team involves creating an environment that encourages experimentation and creativity. I organize regular brainstorming sessions where team members can propose new ideas without judgment. Additionally, I implement innovation sprints where the team dedicates time to explore emerging technologies or new instructional methods. Providing access to professional development resources, such as workshops or online courses, inspires team members to stay current with industry trends. I also celebrate successes and lessons learned from failures, reinforcing the idea that risk-taking is a valuable part of the creative process. This culture of innovation ultimately leads to enhanced educational offerings. Question 80. What is your approach to integrating different disciplines in academic content production? My approach to integrating different disciplines in academic content production involves collaboration and interdisciplinary communication. I encourage cross-functional teams that include subject matter experts from various fields, fostering a holistic perspective on content development. I initiate workshops to brainstorm how different disciplines can inform and enhance the learning experience. For instance, combining insights from psychology and technology can yield more effective instructional strategies. I also utilize project management tools to visualize the relationships between various disciplines, ensuring stakeholders remain aligned. By promoting interdisciplinary collaboration, I create richer, more comprehensive educational content that resonates with diverse learners and meets varied educational needs. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.